Now, there are certain secrets to the law of attraction. One of them is the law of vibration. In this video, the law of vibration explained in simple steps, in simple law of attraction secrets, so that you can manifest the things that you want quicker, faster, and easier. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Make sure you hit the like button right over there, and let's dive right into this video. Okay, thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe and the bell notification right over there. Now, the very first principle that is important to understand when it comes to the law of vibration is that the law of attraction is 100% governed by the law of vibration. So, first things first, everything is energy. Now, you heard me say that before, but what does that have to do with the law of vibration? Now, the reason that this is very important is because energy is always in motion. Science has shown us that everything is energy. The wall of the room you're in, or the seat that you're sitting on, or your body is just energy. That's all it is. It's vibrating at the speed of light, and our eyes are conditioned to perceive it as a solid object, but it's not solid. It's energy. The level at which that energy is operating at is called vibration. So I have a certain vibratory frequency, a chair has a different vibratory frequency, money has a different vibratory frequency. It's all different variations of one energy. Just like there's only one thing called sound, but there's a bunch of different vibrations of sound that you turn the knob on your car, and they're called radio stations, FM and AM. It's all sound, and there's a bunch of different vibratory manifestations of that one energy. So somebody that has a fantastic life has a certain vibration. Somebody who has a great handle over finances has a certain vibration. Somebody who can't seem to attract any money has a certain vibration. Somebody who keeps attracting relationships where the people cheat on them or they end up being a nightmare to deal with, they're transmitting a certain vibration and thus attracting those experiences back to them. You can feel this in everyday life when you're sitting in a room and somebody walks into the room and they have really bad energy. You're picking up on their vibration subconsciously. That's what's happening. You know, you feel it and you're like, stay away from me, buddy. You're picking up on their vibration. That's what's happening. That's what the law of vibration is. What the law of vibration is telling you is everything is energy, and energy is always in motion. So comment down below, everything is energy. Comment down below, everything is energy. Comment that down below, everything is energy. So all the law of attraction is telling you is that like energy attracts like energy. That's what it's telling you. That similar vibrations move in harmony with one another. So if your vibration is one of abundance, now we're going to talk about how to train your vibration to that in a moment, but let's say, given the law of vibration, you're transmitting a signal of abundance, prosperity, and confidence. What are you going to attract back to you? Similar energy, because the law of attraction says like energy attracts like energy. And given the law of vibration, everything is transmitting a vibrational frequency. And your vibrational frequency is one of abundance. What are you going to attract back to you? Money, opportunities, freedom. Now, if you're in a constant state of fear and you don't feel like you're good enough and you don't feel like you're smart enough and the rich people control all the money, you are in a vibration of scarcity. You will attract that back to you. Now, this doesn't work just for money. It works for love. It works for friendships. It works for resources. It works for jobs. It works with everything. It was said in the Bible the most powerful way. The Bible actually taught the law of vibration. It said in the Bible that to those that have, more will be given, and to those that do not have, even that which they have is going to be taken away from them. To those that have, more will be given. What does that mean? If you're in a vibration of abundance, you will attract more abundance. to those that have. When you're in an energy of having, what is a vibration of having? You're in a place of gratitude. You are already transmitting joy, abundance, prosperity, confidence, regardless of what's going on around you, because you recognize the kingdom of heaven is within. When you are that, you're in a vibration that is high, and you are going to attract like energy that matches that. So to those that have, more will be given. To those that do not have, when you're in an energy of lack, when you want money but you're resonating with anger that you don't have it, you will attract more of that energy. When you want love, but you keep focusing how there's no good guys, or there's no right women, or you're unlovable, or blah, 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 you're gonna attract that. Even if you want love, you don't get what you want, you get what you are. That's how you summarize the law of vibration. You don't get what you want, you get what you are. And what are you? You're an energy field. You're an energy field with a certain vibrational signature. When you think of yourself like a radio broadcasting tower sending out a frequency, emanating a vibration to the universe, and in turn you pull like a magnet similar energy back to yourself, you go, well, what am I? I'm a vibration, I'm an energy field. So the law of attraction says like energy attracts like energy, and you pull back similar energy that matches your frequency. Now, the coolest part about all of this is science has shown us something very powerful. Science has shown us that energy is never created or destroyed. So you say, I want to create more money, I want to create love, I want to create a great job, I want to create my dream life. Technically, you're not even creating it, which is so cool. It already exists because energy is never created or destroyed. It's just that the money you want, the love you want, whatever it is, your desires, they are just vibrating at a level of energy that's currently beyond this realm, this reality that is called visible light. You know, you blow a dog whistle and you can't hear a dog whistle? Does the dog whistle not exist then if you can't hear it? No, certainly it exists. The dog can hear it. But you can't hear it. So does that mean it doesn't exist? No, it does exist. It's happening at a vibration beyond the level of energy your ears are programmed to hear. But the dog can pick up energy higher. So there's a bunch of energy that exists beyond this reality. So what you want already exists. It's just at an energy level beyond what you are currently perceiving as your reality. Now, this is so cool because what you want already exists. What you want already exists. Energy is never created or destroyed. So if energy is never created or destroyed, you can never lose opportunities. And it's not that hopefully you might get them, you wish you get them, it would be great if you get them. They already exist. It's just that like energy attracts like energy. It's just that everything is determined by the law of vibration, and if you raise your vibration, you're going to start pulling new experiences to you. Coincidences start happening, synchronicities start happening, the unexplainable, and then other people say, wow, you're so lucky. But you're not lucky, you changed your vibration, and so all the possibilities that ever were and ever will be already exist, and you've attracted new possibilities because you live in a world of infinite possibilities. Realistically, it's not infinite possibilities, it's infinite realities because everything already exists just at different vibratory levels. It's just like it's kind of like the Inception movie. There's a bunch of parallel universes happening simultaneously, and based off of your consciousness, it determines what you experience. It's just that most people stay in the same vibration their whole life, so nothing changes, and then they say, nothing's changing. Same old, same old. Nothing could be further than the truth. It's just that they're creating the same energy and motion over and over and over again. They've cemented a vibrational signature, and so they keep attracting that. So this is the law of vibration explained. These are the law of attraction secrets. Now, you can use the power of your own mind to shift your emotion. Your emotions are your energy in motion. When you shift how you feel, when your emotions change, when you start to feel excited, when you start to feel grateful, when you start to feel overjoyed about shifts coming in your life that you can't see yet, your vibration changes. And when that changes, you change what you attract. Because the law of attraction says like energy attracts like energy. And the law of vibration says everything is emanating a frequency. And you, using free will, can change your frequency. If you really want to superpower this, right there down below, I created an actual software, a technology to do this for you, to actually change the way your brain is wired so that your nervous system, so that every cell of your body gets reprogrammed and it starts vibrating in harmony with the money you want, the love you want, the job you want, the house you want, the freedom you want. If you can do this, you can attract anything you want because it already exists. You just have to change your vibration. You have to get your brain reprogrammed. You have to reprogram your cells. So I call it the second mind. It's a free demo. It's right there down below. It is the most powerful way to change your vibration and get the law of attraction to work for you. And it's free right there down below. You'll see it pinned to the comments right there down below. It says thesecondmind.com. It's right there down below. I call the first mind the one that's programmed by society and it keeps us in the same negative vibration. The second mind is the one where you realize you can manifest anything you want because it all already exists and you control your vibration. So if your new mind gets programmed to what you want, you'll get it every time. So use the second mind, step into your second mind. It's right there down below. It's thesecondmind.com right there down below. Make sure you hit the like button right over there. The like button is what sends us out into the YouTube universe so more people see it. So make sure you hit the like button right over there, and then subscribe and bell notification. For whatever reason, if you subscribe and you do not hit the bell notification, you don't get notified for new videos. So make sure right now you actually hit the bell notification. Even if you already subscribed 9 months ago, just double check you've actually hit the bell notification right there. Comment down below, I manifest anything I want. Comment down below, I manifest anything I want. Then make sure you go right there down below to utilize the Second Mind free demo. Have a fantastic day. I'm so happy and grateful that great things are headed your way right now. Take a deep breath in and out. Take one more deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Today is going to be a great day.